Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are doing ADMath. ADMath for IGCSE students which have syllabus code 0606 and for CIEO level students which have syllabus code 4037. So both kind of students can get equal benefit from this course. As you know students, in last lecture I gave you introduction about the trigonometric graph of sin x, cos x and tan x. I gave you some brief introduction about the related to some terms of the graph which used in trigonometric functions like period of trigonometric function, amplitude of the trigonometric function and vertical change. Now today we are going to start exercise 9.4 and we will discuss in detail about how to find the period of the function, the amplitude and the vertical axis, and how to draw the graph of the functions. Let's start question number 1, exercise 9.4. You can see on the screen the following functions are defined for x is greater than equals to 0 degree and less than equals to 360 degree. So actually this is the domain of the function from 0 degree to 360 degree. It means we should restrict on this domain. We will not go beyond 360 degree. Okay. For each functions, write down the amplitude, the period and the coordinates of the maximum and minimum points. Very easy. First write down part number 1. Fx is equals to 7 cos x. So first we have to find the requirement what amplitude. So you must write the general equation of cos x which is given in your book. I am going to show it. Y is equals to a cos bx plus c. The general equation is y is equals to a cos bx plus c. What is a, what is b, what is c? You can see again. A means amplitude and B means affects period. Period is equals to 360 degree upon B, and C means the vertical translation. So if you compare our general equation, if you assign the name of the equation is equation number 1 and equation number 2. And if you compare both the equation, you can see that A, which is the amplitude, is equals to 7. So the first requirement has fulfilled. The amplitude of this function is a is equals to 7. The second requirement is the period. What is the formula of period? You can see again on the screen. Formula of period is 360 degree upon b. So period is equals to 360 degree upon b. What is b? The coefficient of x in the trigonometric function. Here in equation number 1, the coefficient of x is nothing. It means 1. So therefore the period is 360 degree. So this is the second requirement. I repeat the question again. For each function, write the amplitude. The period amplitude is 7. The period is 360 degree. And the coordinates of the maximum and minimum points. Very easy. You know what is the maximum value of cos 1? I told you in last class. What is the minimum value of cos minus 1? Which is already told you in last lecture. So minimum value of cos is at 0 degree. So cos 0 degree is 1. This is the first maximum value. Then 180 degree At 180 degree cos is minus 1. You can confirm by using your calculator. Find cos 180 degree from your calculator, which gives you 180 degree cos 180 minus 1. And third one is at 360 degree the value is 1. I hope you understand. I repeat again, this is not your final answer, but this is the general maximum and minimum value of any function. If you can see the example which is given in before exercise 9.4, this one, this C part, y is equals to sine x, has its maximum and minimum points at 90 degree at 1, 270 degree at minus 1, 450 degree and 1, and so on. What I wrote over here, I am not going beyond 360 degree because the period is 360 degree. But if the period is other than 360 degree, then I will change some values. So these are the maximum and minimum value of the function y is equals to cos x. But our question is not y is equals to cos x. Our question is y is equals to 7 cos x. So we must multiply each y value of the coordinate by 7. Multiply 1 by 7. 7 ones are 7. Multiply minus 1 by 7, minus 7. Multiply 1 by 7, 7. So this is the answer. I repeat again, how to find the maximum and minimum value. It depends on period and amplitude. Because the period is 360, so it doesn't affect on an angle. Angle is same, 0 degree, 180 degree, 360 degree. But amplitude is not 1. Therefore, we have to multiply each y value of the coordinate by 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 into minus 1 is minus 7, and 1 into 7 is 7. We will not go beyond 360 because the period is 360 degree. If period is other than 360 degree, then what we will do, I will show you in other parts. So the requirement of first part A, has fulfilled. For each function, write down the amplitude. Amplitude is 7. The period is 360 degree. Amplitude is 7. Period is 360 degree. And the coordinates of maximum and minimum points are 0 degree 7, 180 degree minus 7, 360 degree 7. Now come to part B. Part B is sketch the graph of each function in part A. This is too easy. But in order to sketch the graph, first we should plot x and y axis. How I am showing? This is our x-axis, this is our y-axis, this is negative y-axis, and this is 0. Our maximum and minimum points are, I am plotting again, I am writing again, 0 degree 7, 180 degree minus 7, and 360 degree plus 7. Now we have to plot. So on x-axis we have to plot angles from 0 degree to 360 degree. So I am taking 4 square is 90 degree, right? Then 1 2 3 4, 180 degree, 1 2 3 4, 270, 1 2 3 4, 360 degree. And on y-axis the maximum value is plus 7 and the minimum value is minus 7. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, positive 7, 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6 minus 7. So first point is 0 and 7. This is the first point. The second point is 180 and minus 7. So 180 and minus 7. The third point is 360 degree and 7. Join all 3 points. Don't use scale, just use free hand. This is the graph. In order to draw the graph, you must take at least 1 to 2 points which are not maximum or minimum points. For example, if I take 90 degree, so at 90 degree the value of cos is 0. You can find with the help of calculator. So for 90 degree, our point 1 2 3 4, this is 180 degree and this is our point. So this is good graph as compared to previous. So whenever you draw the graph, you must take one more point in order to get symmetrical graph. So I hope you completely understand how to draw the graph of y is equals to 7 cos x. So this is the requirement of the question. See the whole question again. The following functions are defined for 0 degree to 360 degree. For each function, write down the amplitude. For part 1, amplitude is 7. The period for part 1 period is 360 degree. The coordinates of maximum and minimum points are 0 degree 7, 180 degree minus 7, 360 degree 7. Sketch the graph of the function, and we have sketched. Look at this. And next is, and use graphing software to check your answer. It is not necessary to use the graphing software, but I am showing it to you. You can have any online graph plotter in order to confirm your answer. See your graph. Y is equals to sine cos x. This is my drawing, and if we use graph plotter like this, I am writing the given equation. Y is equals to cos x and the values of x from 0 degree to 360 degree, and value of y from -7 to +7. Sorry, y is equals to 7 cos x. Yes, look at this. This is just look like a graph which I drawn. You can see at 0 the value of y is 7, at 90 degree the value of at 90 degree the value of y is 0, then at 180 degree the value of y is -7, and then 360 degree the value of y is 7. So look at my graph. Kindly wait, there is some problem. Look at this. This is my graph, so it is look like same. So you can also plot online in order to confirm your answer. So I hope you completely understand part 1 of question number 1. Let's start part 2. Now, part number 2 is fx is equals to 2 sine 2x. Again, first we have to write the general equation. Y is equals to a sine bx plus c. The first requirement is to write down the amplitude. So if you compare, you will get the amplitude A is 2. This is the answer of first part, part A, amplitude. Write down the period. The formula of period, you know, 360 degree upon B. What is B? B, if you compare equation number 1 and general equation number 2, B is the coefficient of x. Here the coefficient of x is 2. So 2 into 180 is 360 degree. Therefore the period P is equals to 180 degree. Next, maximum and minimum point. How to find the maximum and minimum point? Very easy. First we have to write the maximum and minimum points of the general equation y is equals to sine x. At 90 degree, the value of sine is maximum, that is 1. Okay. At 270 degree, the value of sine is minimum, that is -1. You can confirm by using your calculator. At 270 degree, the value of sine is -1. At 450, the value of sine is maximum, that is 1. And at 630, the value of sine is -1. You can confirm with the help of your calculator. Just enter the values. But there is a question. There are two questions arise in our mind. The given range of the question is from 0 to 360 degree, and in previous part we go from 0 to 360 degree, but in this part why we go from 90 degree to 630 degree? Because the period is not 360 degree. If the period is less than 360 degree, like 180 or other, then we set the values. We will check the values, that how many coordinates of the function which gives the values of the trigonometric function maximum and minimum. There are so many values after 630 degree which gives us maximum or minimum value. For example, sine 810 gives us 1, but we will not take this value. Why? Kindly wait, I am giving you the reason. So these are some points, maximum and minimum point of the general equation y is equals to sin x, but our equation is not y is equals to sin x. Our equation is y is equals to 2 sin 2x. So this 2 should be multiplied by the y value of the coordinate, and this 2 sin 2x, the coefficient of 2 should be divided by each angle. Okay, I am showing you step by step. 90 degree, multiply 1 by the amplitude, 2 1s are 2. 270 degree minus 1 into 2 is -2. 450 degree, 1 into 2 is 2. 630 degree, -1 into 2 -2. And 10 degree, 1 into 2 is 2. The next is divide each angle by 2 by the coefficient of x in sine function. In this question the coefficient of x is 2. So 90 divided by 2 is 45 degree 2. 270 degree divided by 2 is 135 -2. 450 degree divided by 2 is 225. 630 degree divided by 2 is 315. And 810 degree divided by 2 is 2 4s are 2 4s are 8 0 5 2. Now why we don't take this value? Because in the question the domain is 0 to 360 degree and our final answer should not be beyond 360 degree. Look at this. This is 45 degree is in our range. 135 degree, I am talking about final answer, is in our range. 225 degree is in our range. 315 degree is in our range. But 405 degree is beyond 360 degree. Therefore, this is not acceptable. This is not acceptable. So our final answer of part A is the amplitude is 2, the period is 180 degree, and the coordinates of maximum and minimum points are 45 degree to 135 degree minus 2 to 25 degree to 315 degree minus 2. This is our final answer. Now come to part B. Sketch the graph of each function in part A. So for drawing a graph we should have maximum and minimum points. 45 degree to, I am writing again, 135 minus 2, 225, 2, and 315 minus 2. Draw x and y axis. This is y axis. And this is x axis. On x axis we have to plot angles, on y axis we have to plot the values. The maximum value of angle you can see on the screen is 315. So if I take 4 square is 90, then 1 2 3 4 square is 180, then 1 2 3 4 is 270, then 1 2 3 4 is 360 degree. So first is and the maximum value of y is 2. If I take 1 2 3 4 is 2, 1 2 3 4 is minus 2. So first angle is 45 degree and 2. This is 90, this should be 45. This is the first value. We are drawing y is equals to 2 sine 2x. This is the first value. The second is 135 and minus 2. So 90 and 45 is 135. 135 minus 2, this is the second point. The third one is 225 and 2. So this point 180 plus 45 is 225, which is 2. This one, and lastly 315 minus 2, so 270 plus 45. This one is minus 2. And one point I am taking, x is equals to 0 degree. So if you find sine 2 into 0 from your calculator, you will get 0. So one coordinate I am taking 0, 0. This one at 0, x 0, y 0. Now plot these points. And one point also I am taking, that is x is equals to 90 degree. So x is equals to 90. You can find with the help of calculator the value of y is 0. So at 90 degree the value of y is 0. Keep in mind, these points are not maximum and minimum points. These points are helping us to draw the graph. So at 90 degree the value is 0, because we need a crossing point. This is very important. And one more point I am taking, that is x is equals to 180 degree. So if you put x is equals to 180 in this equation, you will get 180 into 2 is 360, and 360 sine 360 is 0. Therefore the value of y is 0. So 180 degree is 0, because we need this crossing point. Okay. Again, if I take x is equals to 270 degree, then the value of y is sine 270. Kindly wait. So for x is equal to 270, if you put in this equation, you will get 540, and at this point the value of y is 0. So this is another point. And this is 315 minus 2. And if you take 360 degree, you will get x is equals to 360 degree. You will get, and put in this equation, you will get y is equals to 0. Sorry. This is 360 degree. And this is our graph. So it is necessary to take more points other than maximum and minimum points. The maximum and minimum points are same. Look at this. This is maximum point 45 degree and 2. You can check. This is minimum point 135 degree and minus 2. This is maximum point at 225 degree 2. This is minimum point 315 degree minus 2. Okay. So this is 100% correct graph. And if I plot y is equals to 2 sine 2x on our graphing software, y is equals to 2 sine 2x. The value of x from 0 to 360 degree, and the value of y from -2 to 2. See this, it's just like a same graph which I have drawn. Look at this. This is 0, then 45, then 90, and so on. So this is just like a same graph which I have drawn. See this one. So I hope you completely understand part B of question number 1. Part 2. Let's start next part number 3. Let's start part 3. Fx is equals to 2 cos 3x. So first we have to write the general equation of cos, which is y is equals to a cos bx plus c. Assign the name of equation number 1 and equation number 2. So if you compare the equation, you will get a is equals to amplitude is 2, and what is the formula of the period? 360 degree upon b. 360 degree upon b. What is b? The coefficient of x in the question. Our question is cos 3x. So the coefficient of x is 3. That is b is 3. So 3 12s are 36. Hence the period of the given function is 120 degree. Let's find the maximum and minimum points. Maximum and minimum points of y is equals to cos x are at 0 degree. The value of cos is maximum 1. Okay. At 180 degree, the maximum value, the minimum value is -1. You can find with the help of calculator. At 360 degree, the value is maximum, that is 1. At 540 degree, the value is minimum, that is -1. At 720 degree, the value is maximum, that is 1. At 900 degree, the value is minimum, that is -1. At 1080 degree, the value is maximum, that is 1. But again, one question is arise in our mind, that our given domain in the question is from 0 to 360 degree. So why we go beyond 360 degree, that is till 1080? Because student, we have to draw we have to divide each angle by 3, that is b. Divide each angle by the value of b. The value of b in the question is 3, that is the coefficient of x. So after dividing each value, we will contain our range, our domain. See this. Divide this 0 by 3. Again we will get 0. And this one should multiply by the amplitude, that is 2 ones are 2. Next, divide 180 degree by 3. It means 60 degree. And our amplitude -1 into 2, -2. Divide 360 degree by 3. 120 degree. And 1 into 2 is 2. 540 degree. Divide by 3. That is 180 degree. -1 into 2, -2. 720 divide by 3. 240 degree. 1 into 2, 2. 900 divided by 3. 300 and -2. 1080 divided by 3. That is 360 degree. 1 into 2 is 2. Why we are not taking more value than 1080? Because after this we will have a maximum or minimum point, but that point is beyond our domain, that is 360 degree. So we should restrict on 360 degree and we write all the points which gives us maximum or minimum value. So this is the answer of A part 3. Next, part B. It's a time to drawing the graph. So first we have to draw our x and y axis. This is x axis This is x-axis. This is y-axis. So what is the maximum angle from 0 to 360 degree? But keep in mind, in order to draw a good graph, we should take more values other than maximum and minimum values, just like we take in previous part. So if I take 1, 2, 3, 4 square is 90 degree. 1, 2, 3, 4 is 180. 1, 2, 3, 4. 271, 2, 3, 4. 360 degree. The maximum value of y is plus 2 and the minimum value is minus 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One, two, three, four, five, six. Minus 2. Let's start plotting our graph. So 0 2, this is the first point. Next 60 minus 2. Okay, so this is 90, 15, this is 60, this is 60, and this is minus 2. Okay, and one 22, 19, and 19 and 30. Kindly wait. One square is 22.5. Okay. No, these are not good values. I would like to take some other values. The minimum angle is 0 and maximum angle is 360 degree. So if I take 2 square is 30, then 60, 90, 120, 150, 180, 210, 240, 270, 300, 360. This scale will give you a good graph. At 0 the value is 2, already plotted. At 60 minus 2, this is 60, this is minus 2. Sorry, this is 60 minus 2. At 122, at 122, at 180 minus 2. At 242, at 300 minus 2, at 362. It's a time to draw the graph. What is our function? Y is equals to 2 cos 3x. So if I take x is equals to 30 degree, it gives y is equals to 0, because 30 into 3 is 90 and cos 90 is 0. So we need this point because crossing point is very important. So start from over here, this, and at what value again the value of y is 0, at what angle I am checking. If you take x is equals to 90 degree and put this value y is equals to 2 cos 3 into 90, you will get 0. So this is our second crossing point. Sorry. My graph is not very good, but you can draw a very good graph. Next, if you take x is equals to 150 and put x is equals to 150 in this equation, you will get again y is equals to 0. You can check. Next, if you take cos 2 110, x is equals to 2 110 and put in the given equation, you will get 0. And if you take x is equals to 270 and put in the equation, you will get again 0. You can check. And if you take this point, this value is 330 degree. So if you put x is equals to 330 in the equation, you will get y is equals to 0. You can verify all these points. This is final graph. Not a very beautiful or very smooth graph, but I assure you this is 100% correct graph. Now it's a time to verify by using graphing software. Our equation is y is equals to 2 cos 3x. Two cos 3x, and x is from 0 to 360 degree, and y is from -2 to 2, -2 to 2, this one. This is the graph. Obviously, this is more accurate, more smooth as compared to my drawing, because this is a software and my hand is human being hand, not a software. So I hope you completely understand part 3. Let's start part 4. What is part 4? Fx is equals to 3 sine 1 upon 2x. Again, first we have to compare the given equation by the general equation A sine bx plus c. A sine bx plus c. So this is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. So if you compare both the equation, you will get an amplitude is 3 and the period formula is 360 degree upon b. What is b? The coefficient of x in the given equation. Here the coefficient is 1 upon 2. This 2 should multiply by 360 degree. Therefore, the period P is 720 degree. 720 degree. The next is to find the maximum and minimum points. Okay. So sine has, at 0 degree maximum and minimum point of general equation y is equals to sine x are 90 degree and 1, 270 degree minus 1, 450 degree 1 and 630 degree is minus 2. Sorry, not minus 2, minus 1. Now, so this is 90 degree. We have to multiply each angle by 1 upon 2. We have to divide each angle by 1 upon 2. That is each angle by b. 90 upon b, 270 upon b, 450 upon b, 630 upon b. So what is b? B is 1 upon 2. So if you if you divide 90 by, I am doing over here, 90 by 1 upon 2, it means this 2 should multiply by 90, it will give you 180 degree. So 180, the second one is 1. 1 into amplitude is 3. So first point is 183. Then 270 multiply by 2, it's 540. 540 and minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. But student, this value 540 minus 3 is beyond our domain. Our beyond our domain is restricted to 360 degree. So only one point is give you the maximum value, that is 180 degree 3. This is the answer. I hope you understand. 180 comma 3. Why we are not taking other values which is beyond our given domain. Okay, now it's a time to plot the graph. So our function is y is equals to 3 sine 1 upon 2 x. So first we have to draw x and y axis. This is x and this is y. So amplitude is 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3. And if I take 30, 60, 90, 120, 150 and 180. So if I take 60 degree, x is equals to 60 degree. The value of y is 30 into 3 sin 30 into 3 is 1.5. So at 60 degree, 1, 2, 3, 1.5. At 90 degree, you will get y is equals to, please keep use calculator, 2.1. So at 90 degree is 1, 2, 2.1. This is the second point. x is equals to 120 degree gives you y is equals to 2.6 around. So this is 2.53, this is 2.6. At x is equals to 150 degree, you will have 2.9, y is equals to 2.9. So at 150 y is equals to 2.9, and at 180 degree, at 180 it will give you 3. And if you take one more value, that is x is equals to 0 degree, definitely it will give you 0. So this is second, this is the first point. Join all the points to achieve a graph. So this is our graph final. Y is equals to 3 sine 1 upon 2x from 0 to 180 degree. Now check this graph from our graphing software. Three sine 1 upon 2x. Kindly wait. What is the equation? 3 sine 1 divided by 2 x. The range is from 0 to 360 degrees. The maximum value of y, the minimum value is 0 and the maximum value is 3, and we are dealing in degrees function. No, this is not the correct graph. We are drawing sine 1 upon 2x. Yes, this is 100% correct. Now I am changing the values. Again 0 to 360 and from 0 to 3. So this is our graph. I hope you understand. If we take more and more and more value, we will draw an undefined curve, but we should restrict to 360 degree, then we have to go till 180. I completely hope you understand this question. Let's start next part. So this is our 100% correct graph. The next part is part 5, which is fx is equals to 4 cos x plus 1. This time the vertical shift is also given. This is our equation number 1, and first we have to write the standard equation y is equals to a cos bx plus c, equation number 2. Now compare both the equation, you will get the amplitude is 4 and period is 360 degree upon b. Here b is the coefficient of x, and in the question the coefficient of x is 1, therefore the period is 360 degree. Now it's a time to find the maximum and minimum points. Maximum and minimum points of y is equals to cos x are at 0 degree, the value of cos x is maximum. At 180 degree, the value of cos x is minimum, that is -1. And at 360 degree, the value of cos x is maximum, that is 1. And we will not go beyond 360 degree because the period is 360 degree. So in this part we just multiply y value by the amplitude. So 0 degree remains 0 degree, 1 4s are 4, 180 degree remains 180 degree, -1 into 4 is -4, 360 degree remains 360 degree, and 1 into 4 is 4. And this is our final answer of maximum and minimum point. Next, it's a time to draw the graph. Our points are 0 4, 180 -4 and 364. But as I told you earlier, we have to take more points. One mistake, sorry, I forgot to take vertical value. What does it mean? If we put 0 degree in our equation, 4 cos 0 is 1. So at 0 degree, the value is 4 and vertical shift is given, c is given 1. So 4 plus 1 is 5. Sorry, I forgot to put 5. And at 180 degree, we have to take 4 into -1 is -4, -4 plus 1 is -3. Sorry, this is very important. And again 360 degrees 1, and 4 ones are 4 plus 1 is 5. So these are our maximum and minimum points. Draw the graph. X-axis and y-axis. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. The maximum value of x is 360 degree. So I am taking it 90, 1, 2, 3, 4. 181, 2, 3, 4. 271, 2, 3, 4, 360 degree. The maximum value is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the minimum value is minus 3. 1, 2, 3. And this is 0. And our equation is y is equals to 4 cos x plus 1. So first value is 0 and 5. This is the first value. The second value is 180 and minus 3. But we need the value of x which give the value of y is 0. Kindly wait. Okay, instead of drawing the graph directly, because the vertical shift is given, so first we have to draw a normal graph, that is y is equals to cos x. Y is equals to cos x. Ninety, 1, 2, 3, 4. 181, 2, 3, 4. 271, 2, 3, 4. 360 degree. This is very easy as compared to draw a graph of y is equals to 4 cos x plus 1. Just draw the graph of y is equals to cos x first. The maximum value is minus 1 and maximum value is 1 and the minimum value is minus 1. So this is 1 and this is minus 1. So at 0 the value is 1. At 90 the value is 0. At 180 the value is minus 1. At 270 the value is 0. At 270 the value is 0, and at 360 the value is 1. this is our graph of y is equals to cos x. Now we are going to graph y is equals to 4 cos x plus 1. So first we have to go, we have to take the amplitude of each point. So 4, go to 4, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5. Okay. And minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. This is minus 5. And this y is 0c. It means 0, 1. It is called a vertical shift. Vertical shift means go each point to above. What I mean, see this. See this. Y is equals to 3 sine 2x plus 1. So plus 1 means if the maximum point is if the graph start from 0, so it should start from 1. Okay. See this. Our equation is y is equals to 4 cos x plus 1. So our graph should be start from here, this point. Start from 1. Okay. So 0 degree and 5, this is point number 1. Then 180 is minus 3. Move this graph to plus 1. So this is 0. We move to 1. And the point is 4. Kindly wait, I am just confused on this part. I am seeing again what is happening. 0, 1. The maximum is 2. So this point is move over here. Okay, I understand. And this point 1, 2. This point is move one, two. This point is move over here. Okay, I get it. This point is move over here. And this point is move over here. Okay, students. Kindly wait, I am reconfirming. Three sine 2x. Kindly wait. I am rechecking again. So it's start y is equal to 2 cos 3x, 2 minus 2, then move to 1 2 minus 3. Same. 0 to 1 and 1 to 5. So these are our points. No. At 360 degree, these should be the graph. But student, don't worry. I will explain this part 5 in next lecture. Part 5 and part 6 in next lecture. We will discuss more and more and more on graph. So I am cancel this part in today's class. I will do part 5 and part 6 in next class. So student, this is our today's class. If you think that my class is good for you and you are satisfying to my class, kindly do subscribe my channel, and whenever you subscribe, don't forget to press the bell icon button so that when I upload my videos you will get the notification. Kindly share my videos to all of your friends. Okay students, good luck for next